they've still got plenty of work to do here. Warrington, Simon Griggs. He's one of the only a couple who've not played in Challenge Cup finals from Warrington's point of view. Mickey Hyam now gathers it on and on to Westwood, who's galloping through that big hole again. Past Miller, inside and out, he's got options. He goes for Joel Monaghan. McDonald's missed him, and Monaghan will race to the corner. And Monaghan, I think, has scored the game's opening try. The corner flag went. Winner last year, of course, in a final. After another outstandingly brave effort. That's Cooper. Warrington in good position here, just over 20 metres away, and tackles in the back. Breers with a dummy. Threatens. Ellis grabs him round the hips and pulls him down, and Hyam will take off here, and Mickey Hyam sniffs an opportunity. But it closes quickly.
Anytime Mickey Hyam's anywhere near the ball there, for our viewers, he's like lightning out of that dummy half position.
Hodgson across to Breers. Breers along the line. Here's Ratchford now. Ratchford puts the kick in behind the line. Whiting's chasing it. And I think Lynham might have got there first. Or is it a Warrington hand? Well, we're going to the video referee again here. Looking for the grounding and offside. Ian Smith as he takes it forward with energy. Now Mickey Hyam. Here's Wood. Sorry, not Wood. It's taken in by Mike Cooper. Hyam up from dummy half. This is Paul Wood. Bustling it in, just inside Hull territory. Hyam again now. Warrington relentlessly moving on. Hodgson, dummies, dropped it. Well, backwards, the referee says. Backwards, so collected on by Bridge. The kick, and the catch from Lynham. And watch this boy fly. Off goes Tom Lynham. They're not going to stop him. They're not going to stop him. He's going to go the distance. And underneath the sticks almost. Tom Lynham with the perfect riposte. For Hull FC, it was gifted to him by Houghton with his arms outstretched. Now he'll play it out to Miller. Miller with a couple of dummies, then takes it on to Holsworth. Across it goes to Whiting. Into the line here comes Arundel. Safely gathered by those Warrington defenders, but there are still tackles to come here. 3 of them left in the tank. Holsworth back to Whiting, who's got the space, and Whiting has got the try. 2 quick-fire counter-punches, and from behind, Hull find themselves ahead. And here's Ellis, pushing hard again, testing them, setting up a position for Hull to attack from, giving his playmakers the room if he can. Pitts, solid tackle from Cooper. Jeremiah, Miller, Holdsworth, Whiting. Ratchford came out and read it well. Closed down the options. So still a couple of tackles to go. Holdsworth again, slides it into the end goal area. With the score! Nobody home for Warrington's defenders. Completely flat-footed by their excellent kick and chase. And Hull suddenly find themselves with daylight. On the BBC. First time this year he's not, but I'm sure he'll be watching this and will be mightily thrilled at the prospect of Hull potentially getting to Wembley. Lynch. Whiting. Oh, it's an interception by Riley! Riley's away! They're all chasing him as hard as they can! Riley puts the foot down! Westerman and Lynham get to him and drag him down! How quickly can Warrington get up there in support here? They need this! Boy, do they need this! Ratchford to Hodgson, overlap on the left-hand side,